Hello everyone. A very shocking news coming your way from the PTE. The exam is evolving. PTE is going to add 2 new speaking tasks from 11 December 2023 until the end of January 2024. And if that makes you a little nervous, then don't worry, as Edutrainex is always ahead of everyone. Watch this video till the end with me, Anurag, your PTE expert from Edutrainex, and I will not only provide you the details for these tasks but also give you strategies to solve them. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you are never behind in getting super important updates like this. But mind it, these 2 new questions are just trial at the moment and will not be marked. So that provides some relief to the people going to take the exam during this time. According to the official PTE website, they are trialing the new questions to learn how they work in the test. So they are doing some research here and collecting information. But in the near future, these 2 tasks may be permanently included in your PTE exam. So better to learn them early than late. You never know. It's a secret PTE is not sharing with the world. But if you follow us on YouTube and watch our videos regularly, we will keep you up to date about all these things. So what are these questions and why is the PTE doing this change? The first one is respond to a situation task, which looks something like this. You get around 12 seconds to read the question, after which the audio begins to play, which actually repeats the same question which is written on the screen. Then you get 10 seconds to prepare, only 10 seconds, what you want to say, and then after a beep sound, you have 40 seconds to speak. You can see a demonstration on the screen now.
You have an assignment due tomorrow, but you are feeling sick for the last 1 week. You went to the doctor and got the wellness note. You feel better now, but you want to ask the professor for an extension over the weekend. You go to the professor. What do you say to him?
If you don't want to attempt this question, you can very well skip it. But I would say just attempt it to keep the momentum on. We really don't know where the PT is going to put these questions. Quickly understand the scenario presented to you. Identify the key elements such as the people involved, the problem, and any other relevant details. Your response should be structured and cover all necessary aspects of the situation, and use clear language. Everything is given to you in the text. Just say how you speak to someone normally, like this. Hello professor, sorry to disturb you, but I wanted to speak to you about the assignment which is due tomorrow. I had a really sick last week and I was not able to progress on it. I am feeling better now and I also have doctor's note about it. But please give me an extension over this weekend so I can prepare my assignment better. Thank you. That's it. Done and dusted. If this becomes part of the PT test in the future, we will provide you an easy template to solve this question. So don't worry about that. Now let's move on to the second question, which is summarize group discussion. This task tries to evaluate your ability to synthesize information and communicate effectively to summarize a group discussion. You will hear a long audio, around 2 to 3 minutes long, with 3 people discussing on a topic. When the audio finishes, you will only get 10 seconds to prepare for your response and after that the beep sound will come and you get 2 minutes to answer the question, a long time. So you will need to take down notes for this task for sure. You need to note down around 15 to 20 keywords as you need to speak for 2 minutes, which is a long time. Let's see how it will look in the exam. Here is the demo.
Hey, we need to organize the farewell function for the professor. Have you decided what we are going to do?
Yes, I have. We are going to have a music band performing for whole 1 hour and the professor would love.
I think the professor would love a magician performing some tricks and the students are a huge fan of them.
So you should say something like this. 3 people are talking about an interesting topic. One of them is asking the others about the plan for professor's farewell. The other one proposed a music band. The third person talked about magician performance. And you just keep on repeating what you hear. First person, second person, and so on for around 1.5 minutes. And in the end, just conclude with something like, they finally agreed on blah blah blah. Anything relevant to the given audio. You don't need to capture every detail, just bits and pieces, like we do in the retail lecture. And there you have it, the inside analysis of the 2 new trial PTE speaking questions. Don't be scared with the new speaking questions. For now, you can skip those questions without impacting your speaking scores. Stay tuned for more updates and tips to conquer the PTE test. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and that's the way you crack the PTE exam. See you in the next one.